All right. Every man for themselves. Do this just for a little bit, just to warm up, since all we've been doing is poetry. And then, if there's something you guys want to personally work on, you can do that too. Otherwise, today I'm trying out the shoulder shield with my armor. See how well it works. Time it out. All right, boys, ready?
Ready.
Fight! Fight! Should play Mortal Kombat. It's been a hot minute. Mortal Kombat. That was the stuff.
I'm not a Street Fighter.
Oh, that's right. Well, as you can tell, it's been a hot minute.
That was like wrong game.
Shut up.
Same genre.
Shut up, fool.
I said Hadouken. That's Street Fighter.
Oh, man.
So.
We played that since the arcade days were legit. Now nobody plays in arcades.
Well, I don't think anymore.
That's because you can get everything on your. Okay. You always mercy kill him. Do whatever you want.
I like going there, man.
Right, bro. Oh, that hurt. Poppy pop. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Gosh, I don't know where that came from. Now I got Mario stuck at the end. Wow. There's a fly. I killed it. Fruit fly, don't bother me. Shoe fly, don't bother me. Shoe fly, don't bother me.
Okay, well. Oh, your speaker lights up?
Sure, shoot.
That's cooler than mine.
Yeah. Oh, I know. That's why I brought it, just to make you feel bad. I just tell you.
Cooler than mine. I'm gonna throw my garbage now.
Well, I mean, if you're gonna throw the garbage, I'll just take it.
No,
All
no,
right,
no.
fighters ready. All right, fine. Good. I was gonna say, if you throw it away, I'd be like, why?
Yours is cooler, but I can't look that.
That's fine.
That's pretty cool.
Ooh, all right. Okay. All right, ready?
Ready. Push. Point. Oh, you know. I mean, we kind of have like an unpicked rule of how we do this, but.
Ooh. What unwritten rule is that?
We take turns, even though we don't have to.
Armor.
How many times can I hit armor?
You have to hit it twice to break it.
Was that a third time? Did you call
Armor.
Oh, I forgot. Forearm.
Yeah.
I
I promise I won't treat you wrong.
No, I just heard you wrong. I was just in baseball kind of like last week.
That's true, you did.
You got the top right. I'm just thinking of that.
All right. You all right?
Oh no, I'm just practicing casting. That's
Fair enough, fair enough. All right, you guys ready? Ouch, right. Break. That sucker hurts. Sure.
That's a big stick now. Gotta warm up the bowl. I know, I'm
I call your reds for me, otherwise I'm not gonna take them. You call red, you hit my arm or
I
catch my arm.
wasn't aiming to take her head.
Oh, okay. I'm just reminding you. So, because reds cut through armor, you don't have
Oh, they
to
do?
red.
I thought I was got to have to armor.
Follow that out. You have to call red. You want to call red, I'm not gonna take it. I'll take it as a blue. So,
Okay.
when you said red, you pegged me in armor.
I didn't know that red birds go through armor. Okay.
No, I was just like sitting at a tournament or a tournament doing workouts. Like, oh, question. Guy's like, red. I was like, oh, okay. He's like, armor. I was like, yeah, it's nice, right? He's like,
No, it's gone. Oh. Okay.
He's like,
I mean, it makes sense. I guess a shield would be counted as like armor too. So if it breaks your shield, why wouldn't it break through your armor?
yeah. Well, everything about it, they have a ginormous caliber and you cut through somebody or like a bastard sword. Comes through with a double-handed through.
You're probably.
Most armor is not going to hold up to that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Except in foam fighting. It sure holds up real nice.
What do people do on the field? Like start calling blues. No, I love it. And I just gotta annoy people because it doesn't mean anything.
Do it.
Blue! Blue! People are gonna laugh at you.
Do it.
I'll see if I can give people some people annoyed. That's something. Don't some people do that anyway. I don't know who calls green, but.
Oh, yeah. Well, green is for stabs.
All right. Those are like the two colors over here. Green, green, red, red.